Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this very short video, I'm actually asking for your help and advice. So if you've been following the series, Ava's taking driving lessons with me in her own car. So we've got no dual controls and this is her 8th lesson. She's just finished a long day at college and she has said she's tired. And on her second junction, I've had to use the handbrake to bring her to a stop. So the question I've got is, what would you have done? Would you have done anything differently there? Would you have used the handbrake? Is there something else I could have been doing? So please leave comments to help me. Please don't leave any negative comments about Ava. She got very upset after this incident. We had a chat, had a cry. Well, I did anyway. Ava was all right. And then we got on with doing something differently. So I'm just interested in what I could have done as an instructor differently, or what you would have done. So please help me. Thanks for watching. When you drive, would that make life easier? Will you drive?
No, I still get the bus.
Okay.
Are we going
at the
left?
end of the road, turn left. That's it. No, you've gone out of it. What gear was that? So yeah, so what gear would you need coming out of there? You alright? Yeah.
Just tired.
So what we do, when we get to the roundabout, we'll turn left. As if we're going towards Fakenham. That's it. So thinking about what just happened there, before you go into that roundabout, just make sure we've got the appropriate gear. So give yourself enough time to do that. Wait.
Jeez.